Hey everybody, hey, look at this. What is this? I'm going to tell you what this is here in a second. I'm just going to tell you that I have replaced a lot of things with just this. Stay tuned and I'm going to tell you all about it. Hello again everyone. Today we'll be taking a look at the Wyerstorm Halo 90 docking conference speaker. Now, this is a lot more than what you think it is. It isn't just a conference speaker. It really can be a number of different things for you. Now, this is a launch of a new product. It isn't even out yet. It will be by the time this video airs. I am so glad and appreciative that they let me review this. So check this out. I will try to make this as quick as possible for you so you'll watch it until the end, where I'll give you my very honest opinion. Let's get started. Now, this is a professional conference speakerphone with the USB docking, featuring 4K video input output, dual USB 3.2 10 gigabyte data transmission, and a max 85 watt reverse charging. So ideal for home office, personal, for your Zoom groups, your meetings, for up to 6 people in one room alone. It comes with the Halo 90 and the USB-C to USB-C cable. Now, the speaker rated power on this is 3 watts. Microphone coverage is 360 degrees with the omni-directional microphone. Now, power supply is 5 volt 3 amp powered by your laptop. Then you have a 60 watt or above powered by the power adapter or USB-C PD display. Okay, what does all that mean anyways? Okay. All-in-one design, perfect integration. Now, just connect the Halo 90 to your PC via the single USB-C cable that they provide for you, and you can easily charge your PC while also connecting to the display, a keyboard, a mouse, plus get on a conference call all at the same time. The Halo 90 speakerphone lets you enjoy ultra clear and sharp images at up to 4K resolution. When you connect your external display via the HDMI 2.0 port or the USB-C port, this is really great for sharing your videos. Now, this is designed with the latest dual USB 3.2 Type A interface. The Halo 90 speakerphone supports up to 10 gigabits lightning speed data transmission. What's that mean? Okay, you can connect a 4K camera or ultra high speed SSD drive and transfer large media files in seconds via the USB ports. As I said, you can supply power to your PC. The Halo 90 speakerphone also supports up to 85 watts reverse charging. Simply plug in your USB-C power adapter or display to the USB-C port. Then you can easily charge your PC with no need to worry about running out of power. This thing has crystal clear clarity. Now, the Halo 90 speakerphone supports acoustic echo cancellation, active background noise reduction, voice enhancement. Its outstanding audio quality can ensure everyone is heard during group calls, like making Zoom, Skype, or whatever, you're more efficient. That way nobody echoes in and out. That is fantastic. Now, covering your entire space. Okay, so you got a room. Now, you have 4 built-in mics arranged in a 360 degree array. Halo 90 speakerphone can pick up clear and natural voice omnidirectional within a distance of 16 feet, 5 meters otherwise. It's ideal for the home office and meeting room, say for 4 to 6 people. Now, you can stand up, walk around, be confident knowing that your Halo 90 is going to cover the entire meeting space. This is great on group calls, guys. Balancing out your voice. The Halo 90 speakerphone features a 3 watt speaker. Now, which can cover up to a space of about 30 meters, the whole meeting room, so you won't miss a word. Now, furthermore, the AGC technology balances out voice volume in real time to ensure that no one sounds too close or too far away from it. Now, the smart LED indicators illuminate in different colors to let you know all of the setting status clearly. White, press the volume up or the volume down. Now, a red LED, it presses the mute button so you know that you don't give that things you don't want somebody else to hear. If the mics have detected your voice, the breathing LEDs in your direction will flash in blue to show you you're being heard. Now, this works with almost every platform. The Halo 90 speakerphone is compatible with all the leading UC platforms like Zoom, Skype, Teams, WebEx, etc. You can easily connect with colleagues around the world for a seamless meeting experience, whatever platform you're using. Now, how hard is this to get set up? This is a true plug-and-play setup in seconds. The Halo 90 speakerphone is also compatible with various operating systems, including Mac, Windows, Android. Now, connect it to your computer via the USB cable, and you can make a conference call just in that few seconds. Now, as powerful this is, it is very small, so you can take it wherever you go. Now, the Halo 90 speakerphone is built with a slim, compact design, whether it's in the office, at home, or on a business trip. Now, you can connect it to your laptop and hold a conference call almost anywhere, as long as you have internet. You can also apply it to online learning, teaching, or academic speech. Now, my take on this and the company behind it. I think this speakerphone station is, well, awesome. I mean, truly awesome. I've replaced a lot of my gadgets with this one, from the computer speakers, the microphone, for Zoom calls especially, and my podcast. Now, Wyerstorm has a ton of really high-end quality products and a very good reputation, which is, I understand now, after reluctance in letting just anyone do a review for it. Check in the description for the website and the links to the Halo 90, and thank you so much for watching. Please remember to like this video, subscribe, and have a fantastic day. I appreciate you being here. See you on the next one. You're gonna love this.